Your baby will jump for joy in the Fisher-Price Rainforest Jumperoo. This safe jumper provides jumping fun anywhere you go. Because it's freestanding, there's no doorway required. All baby needs to do is jump to activate a wonderful world of rainforest music and dancing lights. What a delight! Overhead and around the base of the Rainforest Jumperoo, there are plenty of stimulating toys to discover and enjoy. Like a bobbing elephant, a swinging bird, a friendly monkey, a peekaboo tiger, toys to bat at, toys to spin, and much more your little one will go wild for. Plus, the cushy seat rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing baby to comfortably and safely turn and explore. Because the seat is adjustable, the fun doesn't have to end when baby grows. The Jumperoo's 3 height adjustments ensure a custom fit. Among the Jumperoo's many safety features are soft spring covers that keep little fingers safe. For your convenience, the seat pad is machine washable and dryer safe. Moving the Jumperoo is a snap. Simply fold it and carry from room to room. With all of the creature comforts of the Rainforest Jumperoo, you'll want it with you wherever you go.